The translations on this video were generated automatically with free software that I wrote for you and everyone else. In this video, I'll be talking about three things: how it works, where you can find it, and where we might go from here. Let's start with a very high-level overview of what's happening under the hood to generate these videos. It starts with the original video itself, which I then pull the audio track from and shove that into magic box number 1, whose name is Whisper. Whisper takes in audio files and spits out transcripts of all the words that were spoken in that audio with word-level timestamps. You take that transcript, you break it up by chunks, and you take each of those chunks and you shove those into magic box number 2, whose name is Large Language Model, or LLM, in this case GPT-4, but there's nothing special about that. This magic box is what we tend to call AI these days, and it has this very strange property where you can just give it instructions in English and it just does that thing. In this case, the instructions I gave were translate this original text into whatever other target language we want, and it does a pretty dang good job. We then take those translated chunks and we shove it into the same magic box, but now with different instructions. In this case, the instructions are I give it the original words and the translated segment, and then I tell it to match each word from the original text with the closest match from the translated language. That phrase right there of closest match, closest meaning, that's the weird stochastic part that makes it a magic box, what we call AI these days. And it's also the part that allows me to keep the word that is highlighted in the translated text hypothetically matching the word that I'm currently speaking in English, because matching word by word allows it to bypass the fact that different languages operate in different orders and sort of different word chops for the same meaning. And anyways, with all of those pieces together, I can take all that text, annotate it on a video, and then shove it out into the world for anyone that may want to watch it. Now, this project is in extremely early days and currently lives entirely in the form of a pile of Python code on github.com/freemocap/skellysubs. It's currently a bit of a mess, but I will be going back through and refactoring hopefully sometime within the week. If you are interested in this project, but this is sort of a little bit beyond your technical capacity, please stick around. You are the target audience here. And hopefully with time and some effort, we will be able to, as a group, create this into a project that both serves the need of providing translations and multilingual translations and annotations to videos, and also provides an on-road for people who are interested in learning more about free and open source software. If that's you, please stick around. Thanks for listening, and